Welcome to the definitive guide for setting up and deploying OpenClaw on macOS. This video will walk you through the prerequisites, installation, and configuration steps for OpenClaw Mac 2026. We recommend using the npm one-liner command for installation. This method acts as an automated package manager, instantly resolving and installing all core system dependencies like Homebrew, NodeJS, and Git before initializing openclaw.ai. To get started, navigate to openclaw.ai. Under the Quick Start heading, locate and copy the recommended one-liner installation command to your clipboard. Open your Mac terminal, paste the command you copied, and hit Enter. The installation script will automatically detect your local environment to tailor the setup process. The script evaluates your system architecture and automatically downloads and installs any missing core dependencies before proceeding with the OpenClaw package installation. A security warning will appear, advising that OpenClaw can execute powerful system commands. To proceed, type Yes in the terminal to acknowledge the risk. In the OpenClaw Setup Wizard, select 2, Quick Start, Recommended, as your configuration mode. This option bypasses advanced settings and ensures the fastest path to initialization. Next, you need to define your LLM provider. Select your preferred platform to power OpenClaw. This guide proceeds with OpenAI. Ensure you have an active API key ready. Log into your provider's developer console, for example, platform.openai.com. Generate a new secret API key specifically for OpenClaw. Paste your API key into the terminal. The characters will remain hidden for security. Next, select your desired model, such as GPT-4o Mini. To streamline the setup, bypass optional integrations for now by answering no or skip to subsequent prompts. External channels and custom skills can be configured later via the web UI. When prompted on how to start the bot, select the recommended quote 2. Hatch in DUI option. The system will initialize, and upon success, you will see a heartbeat OK status. Scroll up in your terminal to locate your unique local URL and generated token. Paste this link directly into your browser to launch the OpenClaw graphical interface, the web UI. The setup is complete. Utilize your new web UI dashboard to manage active chats, integrate additional LLM models, automate tasks with cron jobs, and monitor your usage sessions in real time.